back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at two different colorways for the K-Swiss Classic VN. So we've got it in the fluorescent pink colorway, as well as the peachy keen rose gold. So let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up at the end. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. So as mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about two different colorways in the K-Swiss Classic VN. So I'm going to be starting out with the fluorescent pink, then we'll move on to the peachy king rose gold. Then we'll talk about size and fit on these, followed by how I style the fluorescent pink, and then we'll conclude with how much these are selling for on the retail market. All right, let's jump into this overview, starting with the fluorescent pink. This is one of my favorite colorways for the summertime just because there's so many hits of vibrant colors throughout this sneaker. Slight little accents. I do love the majority of it is all white. So we've got that three-piece toe on the front here with some nice, just crisp white leather. As we work our way up, we've got more leather on the tongue, and we've got this embroidered K-Swiss logo on the shield there, and it's in that fluorescent pink and this very fluorescent teal colorway, which I think combined looks amazing together atop that white leather. We've got crisp white laces, and then we've got the D metal eyelets here, which lock the laces in quite nicely. So let's take a look at those details, and then we'll move on to the side panels. To the side panels, we've got K-Swiss's 5 stripes on each side of the shoe in that crisp white colorway. As we move to the back, we've got this suede in this beautiful teal color scheme, which I think plays quite nicely with the embroidery going on the back in that fluorescent pink and teal. Then on the other side, again, more of the 5 stripes with the K-Swiss branding on the midsole there, and this beautiful, just clean, crisp white color scheme, which I think really just sets the tone for the fluorescent pink on the bottom of the outsole, which I think is probably one of my favorite parts of the shoe because it just really looks like it's actually glowing. So we've got that textured, thick, molded rubber outsole as well. And then this is actually an Eva midsole, which literally is extremely comfortable. The insole on here is in a teal colorway, and then the K-Swiss branding is in white, and it says wearing is believing. So let's take a quick peek at all those last details. All right, moving on to the Peachy Keen Rose Gold. So this is a different color scheme. I do love the variation that they're giving us with this pink and the rose gold. Pops are really just amazing atop this Peachy Keen coloring scheme leather. So we've got, again, the 3-piece toe box, pink laces this time, as well as some more pink leather and that rose gold for the embroidery on the K-Swiss branding. Working our way up, we've got just more light pink on the inside of that tongue, and instead of the silver D-rings on this one, it's actually a pink rose gold colorway. Moving on to the side panels, again, we've got K-Swiss's 5 stripes. This time, instead of that teal suede on the back, we've got it in a light pink and more of that rose gold for the branding on K-Swiss. We've got that textured, thick, molded rubber outsole, and the midsole is in white. The outsole is in that pop of pink. And then when we look inside the shoe, we've got a nice burgundy color scheme for the insole, again with that Eva foam system going on for the shoe for lots of comfort. All right, so for sizing on these ones, I did size down half a size. They did run a little bit on the larger end. I think these fit perfectly sized down. Again, I do have high arch, narrow feet, so that will also decipher what size works best for you. So if you do have flat feet that are on the wider side, you may have a different size that works best for you. All right, so now let's jump into styling. I had so much fun styling this fluorescent pink just because I think this is such a fun pop of color for the summertime, and I am literally living it up till summer ends and it starts to get cooler in New York. So for this color scheme, I went with a dress for the first look. It was a maxi dress. Kind of was giving me some cotton candy vibes, just like this, but it had some nice blue hues to it, white and pink color schemes, which I think blended quite nicely with this shoe. For the second look, I decided to wear a button-down, short-sleeved shirt in a nice pop of pink colorway with some beige biker shorts. I think that any types of pinks that you really want to throw in with this color scheme goes very well. Just specifically bright hues like that bright pink button-down that I selected for this second look. For the last and final look, I decided to just keep it very simple, and I had a white button-down long sleeve shirt that was longer in length, and I paired that again with some beige biker shorts, and I think just a nice, clean, basic, all-around white look or beige look goes quite nicely and makes this shoe really the standout. All right, you let me know out of the 3, what was your favorite look or how would you style these?
I took all your promises like a loaded gun, 'cause I knew you'd shoot me down. Maybe I'm the one to blame, gave you all my love, 'cause I knew you'd shoot me down. three shot fight. You better pray to stay alive, 'cause after 10 you won't survive. You better pray to stay alive. One shot fight, three shot fight. You better pray to stay alive, 'cause after 10 you won't survive. You better pray to stay alive. Bang, bang, is the blood on your hands, babe? Or am I the one bleeding? Am I the one bleeding for you? Bang, bang.
Now let's conclude with where to find these shoes. So you can find these on the K-Swiss website. I will also have those links down below. For those of you who don't know, this is one of K-Swiss's most popular silhouettes, and it's the first ever leather tennis shoe. So the classic VN was truly reimagined to be quite the modern sneaker. So definitely a go-to sneaker if you are looking to really add something different. And for the affordable price of $70, you can't beat that. What a steal for how high quality the materials are on this shoe. Again, and it's just one of K-Swiss's most popular models, and I just love the colorways that they're giving us right now, specifically these two for the summertime. I feel like this rose gold also is something I'm going to work into my fall wardrobe and winter wardrobe, but I am loving these two color schemes. I think they're different and very unique. So definitely check those links out down below. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. So much fun always talking about K-Swiss shoes. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below. Also, be sure to check off that notification bell, or hit that notification bell, because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button and our merch store. All right, that's it for this episode. My name is Marissa Hill. Again, this is ShadeTV. We will see you on the next episode.